Hello friends! In this video, we are going to be learning about our body parts. Let's get started. I have 2 legs and I walk with my legs. I have 2 hands and I hold with my hands. I have 1 nose and I breathe with my nose. I have 1 tongue and I taste delicious food with my tongue. I have 2 ears and I hear with my ear. I have 10 fingers and I pick up things with my fingers. I have many teeth and I chew and bite with my teeth. I have black color hair. What is the color of your hair? I eat with my mouth. Lips help me to talk. I have 2 eyes and I see with my eyes.